Channel again. In this video I am going to show you Canon Maxify GX3070 multifunction color ink tank printer, which problem is it's printing but there is no image in paper. So let's first check what is the problem. The printer is in ready condition. So in this case, first let's check what is the problem. By pressing down arrow key, go to maintenance, then press OK. Here nozzle check option, press OK. And do you want to print the nozzle check pattern? Press OK for yes. Load A4 paper, press OK, and it will print a nozzle check print. In nozzle check print you can see cyan, magenta is slightly okay, but black and cyan color is missing. So in this case, now again go back to, do you want to print again? So you have to press no by pressing down arrow key, then OK. Then go to deep cleaning by pressing arrow key, deep cleaning, press OK. Deep cleaning requires a lot of ink, so press yes if we have full of ink in ink tank. Hence you can see there is sufficient ink in our ink tank, and the printer is deep cleaning now. Starting the deep cleaning process now. It will take up to 4 to 5 minutes. Hence you can see the pipes were completely empty. Now it's filling with ink by ink flush system. The process will take 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes and consumes a lot of ink. So you have to fill the ink tank. Now our printer is ready. Now rear tray A4 plain paper, OK. Deep cleaning process is continuing. Hence the power ink flush is finished now, and the printer is asking for, do you want to print the nozzle check pattern? Press OK for yes, then press load A4 paper, then again press OK. Let's check whether the printout is OK or not. Yes, our printer is ready now. You can see our black, cyan, magenta and yellow, all colors are perfect now. So it's a rough paper where we can see the proper images in a proper A4 paper. Print again the nozzle check, OK. Then print, do you want to print? Yes for OK, then again OK. And hence we can see the perfect printing in this blank A4 paper. Here our printer is ready to print. The printer has completely printed, totally printed 8796 printer. So this is the procedure how to power ink flush when Canon Maxify printer series, Maxify GX series printer is not printing images in paper. Thank you very much.